In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spend out of goals in Monarch Money. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the know-how to manage your financial objectives with greater ease and understanding. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Monarch Money. If you aren't already logged in, take a moment to do so. Once you're on your Monarch dashboard, you'll notice a variety of financial tools at your disposal. Here, we'll focus on utilizing the Goals feature, which is a powerful way to track and manage savings targets and spending related to them. Once you're on the dashboard, the next step is to click on the Goals tab. This is a central feature in Monarch Money, and it's where you can manage your various financial objectives. Clicking here will take you to a detailed overview of all your current goals, providing insights into how close you are to achieving them and how well you're allocating your resources. With your goals laid out before you, it's time to select the specific one from which you want to spend funds. You might have several different goals, whether they're related to purchasing a new home, saving for a vacation, or perhaps setting aside money for an emergency fund. Click on the goal you intend to spend from. This action takes you into a more detailed view of that particular goal. Now, the next thing you'll do is click on Edit Accounts. This is a crucial move when you're looking to adjust or manage the accounts linked to a particular goal. By editing accounts, you give yourself the flexibility to determine which financial accounts are associated with this specific target. Perhaps you wish to add funds from your checking account or use savings you've been building up elsewhere. This is where you control that. Once you're in the Edit Account section, you'll need to focus on the cash. It's essential to manage this carefully since the cash flow here will directly impact how your goal progresses. Ensure that you're selecting the correct amounts and sources to reflect your intended spending accurately. Finally, after making all necessary changes, click on Done. By doing so, you're essentially confirming the adjustments you've made. This action saves the settings for this particular goal, and you're all set. Confirming the changes ensures that your financial management reflects accurately within Monarch, and there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've learned how to manage spending out of goals in Monarch Money. This process empowers you to control how you allocate funds towards your goals, ensuring that your financial objectives align with your actual needs. Keep exploring the features Monarch offers to optimize your financial well-being even further. Thanks for watching and happy budgeting.